Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, if you're in the market for a new grill, you should definitely take a look at this one because this one is a griddle combination, and that opens up a whole new world of what you can actually cook outside. Now, this one was sent to me at no charge so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Come on, let me show you what it can do. Before I show you a couple things you can cook with this griddle combo, and yes, you can use it to cook pizza, let me share a few things about this setup. Here's a quick look at the fully assembled unit. There's a front shelf to hold your oil and seasonings, and on the right-hand side there's a shelf, and just below that shelf is the propane tank so you can easily turn off the gas supply when you're done cooking. The griddle includes a drain on the right to catch the drippings, which flows into a drip pan underneath that's easy to remove and clean. Having both a grill and a griddle really expands your outdoor cooking possibilities. You can prepare foods that are usually reserved for indoors, like stir-fry vegetables to go with your shish kebabs. Or you can grill up some Italian sausage while the sweet bell peppers and onions caramelize to perfection on the griddle. So if you're ready to take your barbecue skills to the next level so you can impress your friends and neighbors, I recommend you give this grill a try. Thanks for watching.